Whatever experience comes into our reality and creates pressure, creates a sense of restriction and makes us feel bad or uneasy, remember that that experience is there to serve us and help clear out all doubt and fear that we still carry within ourselves. In fact, whenever a thing, a person or situation triggers fear, confusion, doubt or pain, it means that fear, confusion, doubt or pain was already there, hidden in ourselves in some corner of our unconscious mind. For this reason, in a certain way, we can be glad when it happens, because it's exactly at the edge of that experience that we can get rid of all those things by owning them, by consciously looking at them and clearing them out when they surface. It's our chance for recognizing deeper truth. When we feel contraction and fear, or when we feel pinned down by our own feelings, it's helpful to remember that by virtue of feeling that contrast, we have at that very moment an access to a deeper knowledge within ourselves, that by virtue of feeling those negative things, we can feel even more clearly which positive things and qualities our heart really needs and desires. We can see clearly the two aspects of ourselves, the one part in tune with our deepest wisdom and the other part in tune with our conditioned beliefs, in tune with the fears of the world, with some painful thoughts or stories which it doesn't want to let go. At this point, when we become conscious of this internal division, of the one part feeling contraction and the other part desiring expansion, we can align ourselves again and even more with what feels like liberation instead of constriction. We can use doubt and fear in order to bring ourselves into a deeper alignment, in order to work out the truth which is already present in ourselves. It needs to be put more in the foreground, to be put more at the center of our attention and of our life. In fact, it's a false assumption to think that we really let our truths and deepest values be the guiding force in our life. What happens very often is that even if they are present within our field of consciousness, there are still so many other constricting priorities when it comes to living our everyday life. Maybe those truths we become aware of when we connect to our deepest core are still hidden under thoughts that demand our attention, because we don't fully trust ourselves and what we know to be true at a deeper level. And so when we go through experiences which cause us to feel constriction, restriction, or pressure, we have the possibility of becoming aware of what we should focusing on and believing in. So let's take that opportunity to check and eventually to change the scale of our priority, which doesn't at all mean to act irrationally. It simply means to become more aware what our spirit knows to be true and what our priority number one is deep in our heart. And we don't have only to think about it, but also to put it into practice through our daily actions. It's not wise to be guided by the voices of fear, of doubt and constriction, but we can look at them, let them speak, and understand them, and in the end, choose to operate from another level of consciousness. So instead of avoiding surfacing fears and doubts, just use them to see what they trigger inside of you and what is still unresolved. Remember that thoughts which make us suffer are possibly not our own and are not aligned with our inner wisdom. But to a certain degree we still believe them. So listen within and see what your heart says, which is quite different from those conditioned beliefs. And then go with it. Let that silent knowledge lead you back to a space of clarity.